So today you're saying my birth, but today we're gonna do the bird choice challenge. So that means that each bird has to pick a choice, which are either these cards. It has full of cards, and each bird has to pick something. Okay, so I'm gonna just put the cards here. Okay guys, for this challenge you have to pick something. So you have to go to the side what's your favorite color, and you have to go to the side. So you have to go to the side where it represents your favorite color. So is your favorite color green or blue? Okay, you like blue, and okay, which one do you like? Okay, you like green. Okay. And Jones, what do you like, green or blue? Don't worry, if you like both of them, you can go in the middle. You like green? Okay, so both of you like green. So other round. This time it's the season. Okay guys, so what season do you like more? You like the fall or the snow? Like the snow? Okay, so you like the snow, Anka? Oh yeah, you like the snow. So Dylan, your turn. Okay, so Dylan, what do you like more, fall or snow? What do you like more, fall or snow? She just keeps scratching. Okay, Dylan's. Okay, so do you like fall or snow? What do you like more? Okay, so do you like the snow more or the fall more, Dylan's? Okay, Dylan's. So do you like the snow more or the fall more?